Hello, my name is Chen Weber-Kenter and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer at Kaminario. The agenda for this session is to demonstrate Commvault IntelliSnap integration with the Kaminario K2 all-flash array for SQL backup, clone, and restore. The integration is based on Kaminario K2's native snapshots. It's used to create application-consistent full or incremental backups in both physical and virtual environments, including applications like SQL, as we will demonstrate today, as well as Oracle and others, in which the snapshot taken is transactionally consistent, read-only, static view of the database. The data to be backed up is copied from the K2 view, without affecting the production's database availability or performance. This automated app-consistent backup can also simplify other common tasks, such as recovery, test and dev automation, and DR. The demo environment is as follows. A 2012 R2 Windows VM is the ComServe, installed with version 11 SP10. The media agent and backup client is a 2012 R2 Windows VM, installed with 2012 SQL. The content for this backup is the SQL database that resides on a single K block. The Commvault storage library is located on a 1K block K2 system. Let's head over to our Commvault console. First, using the Array Management tool, we'll verify that the Kaminario storage is configured within the Commvault console. When adding a new K2 array, the following parameters should be configured. Kaminario should be selected from the drop-down menu as the snap vendor. The K2 array management IP address and name. The username that was pre-configured in the K2 array with a management app role. Once the K2 all-flash array is configured in the console, a snapshot retention policy named CV_Commvault IntelliSnap is created in the K2 to enforce snapshot retention. Second, verify that under Storage Resources Libraries, there is a configured K2 storage library that is associated with the IntelliSnap storage policy to accommodate the K2 snapshot backups. A snapshot copy should be configured in the IntelliSnap storage policy. Also, make sure that Enable Backup Copy is checked in order to later enable backup to the storage library. In this example, we have a subclient named SQL using the IntelliSnap storage policy. You can again verify that the IntelliSnap storage policy is using the Kaminario engine. Prior to the backup, I've created a new table in the SQL database named Demo Table. In a later phase, we'll verify that this table exists in our database clone and after its restore. We are now ready to start the SQL backup based on the K2 snapshot. Right-click the SQL subclient and select Backup. The selected backup type is full, and the backup copy to the K2 storage library will start immediately after the snapshot creation on the K2 all-flash array. Once the backup job was committed successfully and the database is in backup mode, a K2 application consistent snapshot is created. Then the database is brought back online. The K2 snapshot will be retained based on the retention policy defined in the snap copy properties. Note that the job ID is used in the K2 snapshot name prefix. Once the snap copy is finished, the backup copy job starts. A K2 view is created from the previous job snapshots and mapped to the relevant media agent, and then the backup begins. The data is being backed up from the K2 view to the configured K2 storage library, so there is no impact on the production database. Once the backup is complete, the K2 view will be unmapped and deleted. Now we will go ahead and delete the database. We can also see that there are no MDF or LDF files in the database drives, which are actually volumes that are allocated on the K2 system. On the ComServe console, we can see the snap list that is associated to the SQL subclient, including the snapshot we've just created. We can also recognize it by the matching job ID. One of the options for SQL database in Commvault is to clone it, in order to create another database for the testing environment, for example, using the K2 snapshot. By right-clicking the subclient in the left pane and selecting Clone, we can choose the destination server and mount path, the new database name, and also for how long we would like to keep this environment active. Once we click Clone, a view will be created and mapped to the configured mount point in the server. The database will then be active and online. Data can be added or changed without interfering with the production database. When complete, the K2 view will be unmapped and deleted. We will now go ahead and restore the database we previously deleted. We will use the latest snapshot backup, select the database, and recover it. We will recover it to its original location, to a specific point in time, and will unconditionally overwrite an existing database or files. In the same manner as previously shown, a K2 view is created for the specific snapshot and mapped to the relevant media agent. Once the process is complete, the K2 view will be unmapped and deleted. We can see that the database files were recovered successfully and the database is back online, including the table we previously created. To summarize, Kaminario K2 snapshot integration with Commvault IntelliSnap enables a built-in automated app-consistent backup and recovery for a variety of applications, including the SQL database. It enables our customers to preserve modifications of the SQL data on a regular basis in multiple K2 arrays as part of their organizational data protection strategy. This integration for virtualized and physical environments can ease and simplify DevOps processes and a SaaS delivery model by automating test and dev environments, versioning enablement, and more. For further details, please visit the Kaminario website. Thanks for watching.